Hi everybody, this is A9 Sports Cards with our UFC weight class box number 1. Curtis Arney had heavyweight, Brandon Beck had light heavyweight, Jeremy Rose had middleweight, Brandon Beck had featherweight, Thomas K had flyweight, Curtis Arney had lightweight, Curtis Arney had welterweight, and Adam Rogers had bantamweight. Good luck everybody, we're going to roll the dice, see what box we're going to break for you. 1 through 5, 6 comes up, we'll roll again. 3. 3. Good luck, everybody. Last box wasn't too bad. We had a dual GSP Matt Hughes, I believe it was. Should have been Matt Hamill GSP. I'm just saying. Case break is filling. That would be next. I will double check and see where we're at. I will take 2 spots. I just can't take 4 like what was left. I believe we're down to, there was 3 when I last checked, so. Okay guys, good luck. Here we go. Silver Knife Mojo, let's do this. First pack, pack number 1. Joseph Benavidez, Kung Lee, Anthony, that guy, to 188, Nakajomi, Tito Ortiz, and we have a duel coming up, I believe. Gray Menard, Rashad Evans to 88. Dual relic. That one will have to be randomed between the, I believe, hold on. No, Curtis Arney will get that. He has the most spots. So Curtis Arney will get that. Lightweight. Maynard. It wouldn't be me without butchering some UFC names. I know the main guys. Uh-oh. What are we calling him again? Haji. There's Haji. Dong Hyun Kim. Tito Ortiz to 88. 86 of 88. Akira Kurosani. And Louis the Whammy. The Whammy for flyweight. The Whammy. Gray collects. Nice. Oh. Carlos Condit. Tom Lawler. Ben Rothwell to 188. Sir Diabate from France. How about a little Spider to 88? The Spider. 2-color. Not much 2-color. Not much of a 2-color, but it's still nice little hit. Anything Anderson Silva is nice. No Akiyama hits yet. Very disappointed. I learned his name just for this break. The Whammy. Ian McCall. Papi Abade to 188. Brian Stan. And Cain Velasquez auto patch. Nice. Cain Velasquez auto patch. Very nice. Very nice. You guys pumped for the fights tomorrow? I can't wait. Bought beer and soda and chips. I might break during it. Martin Kampman. Josh Koscheck. Travis Brown to 188. Bas Rutten, I think that is. I don't know. Hold on. Yep, Bas Rutten. And our hit, Mark Munoz. Mark Munoz. In the weight class, it depends on what the fight is. If it's fight weight class specific, it goes to that weight class. Jake Ellenberger, Forrest Griffin, Lyoto Machida to 88, Matt Hughes, and Stefan Struve to 285. Stefan Struve to 285. I like these cards a lot. I actually like them a little better than Finest, but we're only 2 boxes in. Could have got the 2 best boxes out of the case. Ivan Menjivar, Bart Pazlewski, Yamamoto to 188, Dan Severn, and Tank Abbott, heavyweight to 188. Tank Abbott, failed wrestler. Ben Rothwell, Vanderlei Silva, Renan Barad, 3 of 88, Fry, and Sarah Kaufman to 449. That's for the Bantams, I believe. Yep, Bantamweight. Very wrong chick. She is a beast, but I want my cupcake. Alistair Overeem, Johnny Hendricks, Jake Shields to 188, Hector Lombard, Bloodlines insert, John Hathaway to 229. Misha is awesome. I seen her fight that last fight where she just took a beat and then Holy cow. Actually, I think it was Showtime. We bought it for a month just to get that fight. I say Tamira. John Dodson. Demetrius Johnson to 188. Haji. Insert to 88. Jake Shields auto to 137. He must have had some damaged cards come back. Welterweights. Jake Shields to 137. That's not bad either. That wasn't a bad box at all. I'll go through them all again.